So we're going to run through how to evaluate an assignment, no submit assignment. For definitions, a few clarifications here. This is the screen of Evaluation Manager, so there are some things here that you won't see. You won't see this tab, Evaluation Manager. You most likely won't see Review, or you may not see Author either. You'll also only see the DRS, the Director Responsible files that are relevant to you, in this case, Marriage and Family Therapy. So we're in the screen where, as evaluators, I'm going to go into the relevant DRF program, Marriage and Family Therapy. I'm going to select a group. Once again, you'll probably only see MFT for this. I'm going to do a search. I see here all the assignments. Although they're all here, you will only have access to the ones that you are responsible for grading. So I see FT 581, Internship 2, Student Clinical Evaluation. Now this is a no submit assessment, which means that the student does not have to upload anything. I see a number of students here. What you would see are the students that you are responsible for evaluating, because they'll be grouped. I'm going to go into Evaluate. If there was work here that was to be submitted, you would see the work here. You would see their stuff here, so you can grade it. Now I'm going to go in, I'm going to score the work, and I'm going to grade. So I can click and drag over. I can also click on the actual score. So I'm going to click Target. Comes here, I can insert comments, and I go through and do it for each one. You have the criteria, you have the domain, you have the criteria that's relevant, so you can score it. And when you're done, you go to the bottom. You have the option of either recording as final but releasing the results to the author or the student later, or you can release it to the now. That policy will be up to the program director, and then you just click Submit Evaluation Now and submit to work. Thank you.